Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to win eBay auctions for cheap. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's start with a powerful strategy called snipe bidding. This means placing your bid in the final 5 to 10 seconds of an auction, giving other bidders no time to respond. It's an excellent way to keep prices low and avoid bidding wars. If you're doing it manually, preparation is key. Monitor the auction closely, log in a couple of minutes before it ends, and place your maximum bid just seconds before closing. If that feels stressful, you can automate it with sniping tools like Jixin, Free, Bid Slammer, or Auction Sniper, which place last-second bids for you. Another great tip is to search smarter using hidden deal keywords. Look for listings with typos like Nikon camera, playstand, or Adidas shoes. These often get fewer views and attract less competition. Timing also matters. Auctions ending during odd hours, like early mornings, holidays, or workdays, tend to have fewer bidders, perfect for scoring deals. Lastly, always set a maximum bid and stick to it. Let eBay's auto bid system handle the rest to avoid emotional overspending. By applying these methods, you'll master eBay auctions and consistently win great items for less. And that's it. So that is how you can win eBay auctions for cheap. So that's all for this video. Thanks.